Welcome to Too Easy to Learn. Prime Factorization. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to identify prime numbers, find prime factors of a number. Students will be able to apply the knowledge of prime factorization to solve exam questions. Let's start our lesson. Prime number. What is a prime number? Prime number has two factors, 1 and itself. In other words, a prime number has exactly two distinct positive divisors, 1 and the number itself. It means that no other number can divide a prime number. Let's understand with the help of an example. 2 cannot be divided by other than 1 and 2. Therefore, 2 is a prime number. 3 has only two divisors, 1 and itself, 3. 5 is a prime number. 5 cannot be divided by any other number. It has only two divisors, 1 and 5. 7 is also a prime number. 1 and 0 is not a prime number. According to definition, a prime number must have two factors, 1 and itself. 1 has only one factor, that's why 1 is not a prime number. 0 also don't have more than one factor, that's why 0 is not a prime number. 2 is the only even prime number. Dear students, memorize prime numbers from 1 to 100. Prime factorization. Prime factorization is the process of expressing a number as the product of its prime factors. Let's see how to find prime factors of a number by using prime factorization method. For example, we want to express 60 as a product of prime factors. We will use the division method. There are also other methods like the tree method, but right now we are using division method. We'll write 60 and we'll find the smallest prime number which can divide 60 completely. So 2 is a prime number which can divide 60 completely. So 60 divided by 2 is 30. Then we'll think the next prime number which can divide 30. So 2 can also divide 30 completely. So 30 divided by 2 is 15. Now 15 cannot be divided by 2. We will think the next prime number. The next prime number is 3. 15 can be divided by 3. The answer is 5. 5 cannot be divided by 3. So we will think the next prime number. The next prime number is 5. So 5 can be divided by 5 and the answer is 1. So prime factors of 60 are 2, 2, 3 and 5. Now we have to write as a product of prime factors. So we will write 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Let's solve few exam questions. Pause the video, solve the problem and check your solution. Let's see your solution. Name the next prime numbers after 30. So you have to think prime number. If you have memorized prime numbers 1 to 100, then this would be very easy. So after 30, the first prime number, next prime numbers after 30, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47. They are not divisible by any other number. These numbers are only divisible by 1 and itself. Find the difference between two prime numbers between 20 and 30. First, we need to think the numbers, prime numbers between 20 and 30. After 20, 21, is 21 a prime number? No. 22, no. 23, yes. 24, 25, 26, 27, 29, 28, 29, yes, 29 is a prime numbers. So between 20 and 30 there are two prime numbers. One is the 23 and the second one is the 29. But this is not our answer. We have to find the difference between these two prime numbers. So difference means 29 negative 23 and final answer is 6. Express question number 3. Express 252 in prime factors. So we'll use the division method to find the prime factors of 252. We'll write 252. You should think the smallest prime number which can divide 252. The last number is the even number, which is 2. It means that 252 is divisible by a prime number 2. So 252 divided by 2 is 126. Again, the last digit is 6, which is an even number. It means that 126 can be divided by 2 again. 162 divided by 2, 63. The last digit is not even numbers. Therefore, 63 is not divisible by 2. So what about 3? Can we divide 3? 63 divided by 3? Yes, but there is also test of divisibility of 3. If we add these two numbers, 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 is divisible by 3. It means that 63 is also divisible by 3. So 63 divided by 3, we will get 21. 21 divided by 3 will get 7, and 7 divided by 7 will get 1. So prime factors of 252, 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 7. Express 320 as a product of prime factors using index notation. Let's see what is index notation. First we'll use division method to find the prime factors of 320. We'll solve it quickly. I hope you can find all prime factors with the help of division method. These all are prime factors of 322, but we have to express these prime factors in index notation. So we'll check how many 2's are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and there is only 1 5. So index notation 322 is equal to 2 raised to power 6, because there are 6 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there is only 1 times 5. So its answer is 2 raised to power 6 times 5. Learn by heart. Dear students, learn all these facts by heart, memorize all these things, especially memorize the prime number from 1 to 100. The list of these numbers are provided here, so learn by heart all these numbers. Home task: read it carefully, solve this question at home,